Hi, I'm Mark Garner, and today you join me on another property tour. We're at this modern three-bed semi-detached property in St George's. It was built in 2018. The vendors, they've lived there since new. They've kept it in immaculate condition. It really is like a show home. In the kitchen, we've got built-in oven, hob and extractor, and also built-in dishwasher, washing machine and fridge freezer. The best part is the garden's been landscaped and it's south-facing. So let's get you inside, let you have a look around. Follow me. Okay guys, that is it. I do hope you agree. It's a beautiful property. It's been looked after really well. This is going to make an ideal home for a first-time buyer, a young family. If you are interested in arranging a viewing on the property, please reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on, or direct. You can contact me on 077 89 647 226. Well, that's it from me guys. Hope you've enjoyed it and I'll see you on the next video.